In the midst of the desert of the Arabian Peninsula, a dazzling metropolis emerged with the promise of triumphant business opportunities. The United Arab Emirates, a strong nation with a diversified economy, where Benair Airconditioning Company, a complete provider of HVAC engineering solutions for multi-story, commercial, residential and industrial projects, commits to deliver the finest quality, cutting-edge technology and the most efficient solutions and products to its customers in the Middle East. We have branches in Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia and India. More than 1,500 HVAC projects, 18 years of our expertise, and more than 1,100 clients in the air conditioning contracting field. That's our core competence, which makes us first choice, which makes us unique.
To be at the pinnacle of HVAC industry in this region requires a lot of dedication and technical competence, which I believe Benair has established beyond doubt. Our foundation is based on client satisfaction, thus we have a good number of happy clients to our accounts. Benair is lucky to have dedicated and experienced employees committed to provide the best to our clients. I am very much delighted to endorse once again Benair's commitment to a sustainable HVAC tomorrow.
Benair Projects. We are the HVAC engineering expert. Benair's expertise with excellent strategic planning and coordination, effective risk management and proper communication ensures prompt delivery of our projects. We complete our projects with passion, within the time and the budget. Benair Maintenance. Benair offers 24/7 assistance for any HVAC requirement so that our clients shall always stay cool. Our well-equipped and dedicated team of technicians and fleet of vehicles readily attend to all kinds of air conditioning issues, as well as to the annual maintenance contract, to ensure hassle-free, peaceful living for our clients. Benair Duct Manufacturing. We are the complete ducting solutions provider. Benair's core competency is our expertise in the latest technology and in sophisticated duct manufacturing mechanisms, along with our skilled technicians. All these enable us to produce around 5,000 square feet of high-quality ducts in a single day. Benair Trading. We are associated with a number of leading brands: Carrier, Daikin, Rheem, LG, O General, Gree and Mitsubishi, which enable us to provide a wide range of choice at competitive prices that nobody else can offer.
Benair has been a partner with us for many years now. They have been a platinum dealer for years, and we are very happy to extend and grow our partnership with them to be closer to our customers and serve UAE with Carrier products and solutions.
Benair is an ISO certified company and has also won top performance awards from various leading air conditioning brands in this region. Our mission is to ensure maximum customer gratification while simultaneously granting an enhanced and enriched habitat to our customers by following environmentally friendly practices. Benair Air Conditioning Company, LLC, cools you better.